Hi guys, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today's this video is for circle the next geometrical figure, circle. In my last videos already we have studied about rays, lines, line segments, and in my recent last video we know we have details knowledge about angle, and now this video is for circle. So let's start. Circle is made by wave lines with a center. So first, what is a circle? This is the point. From a certain point, we draw a circle. We need a center. First of all, we need a center. This is the center of this circle. And to draw a circle, there is a device in our geometry box. This is compass. We called it compass. By the help of compass and pencils, we draw a circle. This is the from this point. This is the perimeter of circle. This is the circumference of this circle. The point lies on the circumference. The perimeter of this circle is of same length. From this point to any point on the circumference is of same length. Means it is a collection of points of same length from this point. From this point, this is the center. From this point, circle is a collection of points of same length. If we join any point of this circle to this center, it is of same length. From this point to this will be same length, this will be same length, and this will be same length. So there is the point is O, and O is the center. And the next one thing, radius. Radius means any line segment from the center to one of the point on its perimeter. One of the points of perimeter, when you join the center to any point on the perimeter on circumference, this is the radius, which is denoted by small r. So here OA. Here O is the center and OA is the radius. And the plural form of radius is radii. Radii is the plural form. If there is one radius, this is radius. If there is more than one radius, these are radii. And the next one thing, diameter. Diameter means this is B, this is C. Here BC is the diameter. BC is the diameter, which is 2r, and this is r. Radius is r and diameter is 2r, because here OB is a diameter and OB is a radius and OC is a radius. So BC is twice of radius. So BC is a diameter. Diameter is a line segment which pass through the center and touch to 2 points of its circumference. B is a point on its circumference and C is the another point on its circumference, and it passes through the O. So BC is a diameter. Then the next one is tangent. If we draw any perpendicular line to radius at this point, suppose this is P and Q. Here PQ drawn perpendicular to the BC, OC radius or BC diameter. PQ is perpendicular to OC radius or BC diameter. Here PQ is the tangent. The tangent touches the circle only with one point. C is the only one point. PQ touches the circle at this C point. C is the only one point. The next one is chord. Here chord. Any 2 point of the circle. The line joining any 2 point of the circle. X, Y is CHORD. This is chord. Chord means any 2 point. Here OA is not a chord, is radius, because these 2 points of this line segment, one is center and another of its circumference. The point lies on its circumference. Here PQ is not a chord because PQ are the exterior point of this circle. But here X, Y, B, C are the chord because B, C both are the points lies on the circumference. X, Y lies on the circumference. So the line segment joining any 2 points of the circle present on its lies on its circumference. So X, Y, B, C all are chord. And one more thing, the diameter is the greatest chord of any circle. Here in this circle, BC is the diameter, XY is a chord. But here BC is the largest chord of this diameter. There is no more chord which is greater than BC in length. So diameter is the largest chord. Diameter is the largest chord. And the next one thing, arc. This XY is the arc, means it's like just like this, it is arc, a part of its circumference. Okay, a part of its circumference is arc. Then the next one is sector. Sector means the shaded part. Suppose the part made by a chord. Here XY is a part of circumference of the circle, but sector means the chord X and Y and the arc, both the arc and chord. Both the arc and chord made a sector of this circle. This shaded part is sector, part of a circle. This is part of a circle circumference. This is part of a sector. And the another one thing, this is sector. Sorry, this is not sector. This is segment. This one is segment. Because chord is a line segment, here X and Y is a line segment and it is a arc. So it is a collection of arc and line segments, so it is a segment part of a circle. And it is another type of part of the circle in which this is known as sector. OAC, this is the shaded part. OAC, this is the shaded part. OAC. Look here, in the circle O is the center and C and A both are the point lies on its circumference, and this is the part made by two radius and this is the arc. The sector made by one arc and a chord, but segment is made by one arc and a chord, but sector is enclosed by an arc and two radius. So this is the part of the circle. First one is center, then radius OA, OB, OC are the three radii, then BC is the diameter, PQ is the tangent, it draws the circle by one point, this is C, and XY is a chord. Any 2 point on a circumference and one diameter of a circle is the largest chord of this circle. So BC is the largest chord of this circle, and then XY is arc. It is a part of a circumference. XY here CA, AB are chord, and the next one is segment. Segment, it is a collection of the chord and arc. Here XY, CA, AB are the circumference, part of circumference, these are arc, and by the collection of chord and arc we made a segment. It is a part of circle. And the last one thing is sector. Sector means it is an enclosed area of a circle by help of two radius and one arc. So these are all about parts of circle. In my next video we'll study another geometrical figure. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment in my video, and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.